All right, let me take you somewhere special, Avythos Beach, tucked away on the stunning island of Kefalonia. If you're craving golden sands, turquoise waters, and a laid-back vibe, this is your spot. So kick off your shoes and let's take a slow, sensory stroll before you even set foot here. First thing you'll notice as you arrive, Avythos just breathes space. Picture a wide, golden stretch of sand framed by gentle hills and lush greenery that rolls down toward the shore. Early morning is magic here. The sun casts this soft honey glow, and the only sounds are the waves lapping and maybe a few birds calling from the olive groves behind you. Now step a little closer. The water at Avythos is shallow and crystal clear, so inviting you might forget you're just on a virtual visit. Push your toes into the sand and you'll find it soft, almost powdery, especially at the northern end where the sea is calmest. This is where I love to start, just breathing it all in. The water is so clear you can wade out pretty far and still see the sand rippling under your feet. Let's walk south along the shore. As you stroll, you'll spot a couple of relaxed tavernas just steps from the sand, perfect for when the sun gets high and you need a break. Imagine the scent of fresh seafood grilling and maybe you grab a chilled glass of local Ribolla wine. You can actually hear laughter drifting from shaded patios, but it never gets crowded here. Even in the heart of summer, Avythos keeps its peace. Everything about this beach feels easy. The gentle slope into the sea means families love it. Kids splash around, building sandcastles while grown-ups sink into sun loungers or just float in the gentle waves. It's the kind of place you can let your guard down, slow your pace, and just be. As you keep moving, look up. The light bounces off white cliffs at the far end, giving the whole place this dreamy golden glow. If you're lucky, you might catch a fisherman paddling out or locals collecting seashells at the edge of the tide. Time almost stands still here. Before you leave, take one last look. The hills behind you, the gentle sea, and that endless stretch of sand. Avythos isn't just a beach. It's a feeling you'll want to pack up and bring home. So next time you're plotting a Greek escape, remember this little slice of Kefalonia. Trust me, when you finally step onto Avythos, it'll feel like you're coming home, even if it's your first time.